In this video we are going to see how to make a collision detection between the player and the enemy. So in the previous video we have seen how to create an enemy system that firing a bullet. So it has been done now. So let's see how to start detecting a collision between the bullet when hitting the player or enemy. So open the player control script, and let's have a collision system called void on collision enter. Let's have trigger, since we are going to get the tag, and let's go with trigger. Void on collision enter on trigger 2D, collider 2D other. You can have any name for other. So next we have a condition: if other dot game object dot tag, other dot tag, it's enough. Other dot tag equal to. Next we are going to find the type of the tag we need to detect. So generally for a player it's going to be an enemy bullet. So let's have enemy bullet tag. Okay. Okay. So if tag has been detected, then destroy the game object and also destroy the bullet. Okay. So we want to destroy bullet also. Okay. So it has been done now. So let's check it out. Hit play. Yeah, once collision is done, the player is start destroying. So next is once is destroyed, target is still finding for a player. So if player is destroyed, we don't want to do any camera movement. So let's have if player not equal to null, then perform this action. Otherwise it's not required to make a camera control. Okay. So if player has target not equal to null, then it work. Let's try one more time. Yeah, it's perfect. There is no error in the log, so it's working fine. Similarly, like in enemy control, just copy the same system from the player control to the enemy control script, and just paste it up. So only thing we want to change to player bullet, that's it. So everything is done. So let's check it out. Hit play, and yeah, it's perfect now. Let's try in big screen. Yeah, so both player and enemy can able to detect the collision system. So in the next video we'll see how to make a dynamic enemy. Thank you.